Question 36 says, a uniform disk of mass 300 kg is rotating freely about a vertical axis through its center with a constant angular velocity omega. A buoy of mass 30 kg starts from the center and moves along the radius and reaches the edge of the disk. The angular velocity of the disk should be now. The student, let us solve this using the angular momentum conservation. The angular momentum is written as the moment of inertia into omega. Now, initially, it is 300 r square by 2, that is mr square by 2, moment of inertia of the disk. The moment of inertia of the buoy in the first case will be 0 as it is at the center, and the distance will be 0 into omega naught, will be equal to the final moment of inertia into omega, that is 300 r square by 2 plus 30 r square into omega. From this we can easily see that omega will be equal to 5 omega naught by 6, meaning that for this question the correct answer should be option number 4. Now let us proceed to the question number 37. In this question, a uniform solid sphere of mass m and radius r is in pure rolling on a smooth horizontal surface with velocity v0 as shown. The angular momentum about the point of contact should be. The student, the angular momentum has the formula that it is equal to angular momentum about center of mass plus mass multiplied by r cross v0, where r is the position of center of mass and v0 is the velocity of center of mass. This will be equal to 2 by 5 mr square into omega plus m r v0. Now omega can be written as v by r or v0 by r, as here it is pure rolling, so this will be 2 by 5 mr square v0 by r plus mr v0, giving us a value of 7 by 5 m v0 r, and therefore for this question the correct answer should be option number 2. Now let us move to the question number 38. In this question, in the figure shown, the uniform solid sphere is released from top of a fixed inclined plane of inclination 37 degree and height h. It rolls down without sliding, so it is pure rolling. We have to find out the acceleration of the center of the sphere. The students, the acceleration has a standard formula that is equal to g sine theta divided by 1 plus I by mr square. So this will be equal to g into sine 37 1 plus I, because it is a solid sphere, I is equal to 2 by 5 mr square divided by mr square. On solving this, we get a value equal to 3g by 7, and hence for this question the correct answer should be option number 4. Moving on to the question number 39. In this question, a right triangular plate ABC of mass m is free to rotate in the vertical plane about a fixed horizontal axis through A. Now it is supported by strings such that the AB is horizontal. The reaction at support A in equilibrium is something that you have to calculate. The student, let the tension here be T. There will be an mg force downwards. Now the distance of center of mass will be L by 3 from here, and from this side or this corner it will be 2L by 3. Using the force equilibrium, we can write down that N plus T should be equal to mg, where N is upwards, that is the reaction force, and balancing the torque about the center of mass, we can write down that N into L by 3 minus T into 2L by 3 should be equal to 0, which means that N is equal to 2T. From these two equations, that is equation 1 and equation 2, we find out that N will be equal to 2 mg by 3. And hence for this question the correct answer is option number 2. Now moving on to the question number 40. In question 40, a solid cylinder of mass m and radius r rolls down an inclined plane without slipping. The speed of center of mass of cylinder when it reaches the bottom will be. Dear student, we can use the energy conservation to find out the answer. The initial potential energy will be mgh. The initial kinetic energy is 0. The final potential energy is 0, while the kinetic energy can be written as half I omega square plus half mv square. Herein, omega can be written as v by r and I will be equal to mr square by 2. On substituting these values, we get mgh to be equal to 3 mv square by 4, or v to be equal to under root of 4 mgh by 3. Meaning that for this question, the correct answer is option number 3. Now let us move to the question number 41.